Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and I'm a bit of a collector and hoarder of makeup, and to continue to collect and hoard makeup and feed my apparent shopping addiction, I promised I would sit down and film content. Alright, so today I actually fell for, and I wouldn't say fall for it because I saw a lot of people talking crap about this, and it's the MSCHF collaboration with Fenty, the Ketchup or Makeup. And I have it right here, so I am going to unbox this. If that sounds interesting to you, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I want to start off with this video saying this is not my first time purchasing anything from MSCHF. We've purchased quite a few things from them. They do like little booster packs, like kind of like a meme on trading cards and stuff. They did one where they had like influencers on them. They did like a Mariah Carey Christmas pack where you basically get like 10 random cards, and some of them could be gift cards and some of them are just humorous to have, and it's just all fun and games. They've done like the $1 million puzzle, and now they've done the $2 million puzzle, which I actually have downstairs to complete still. You know, they did the Andy Warhol thing, and they've done quite a bit. And they also like have a magazine that they release like once every 3 months, which is really funny to read through. I think we have almost every single one of those. It's actually something that Keegan found a few years ago, and he really enjoyed the website, and it's just kind of gotten bigger. But I think it's funny that people are now noticing it, especially when it comes to people who like makeup, because they think that this is like a big joke and a big scam, and that's kind of what MSCHF is. So I mean, it's MSCHF, it's funny. So my take on this is supposed to be just all fun and games, and yeah, it's $25, but the whole point of it is for it to be fun. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it says on there, ketchup or makeup. So there's supposed to be 6 packets in here, where rather you're going to open each one and it's going to be ketchup or makeup. So I have a feeling that I'm going to be able to feel and guess which one's which. Oh, crap. And then this is what like the actual packaging looks like. And when you open it up, there is your 6 packets of ketchup or makeup. So it's going to be ketchup or it's going to be lip gloss. So this retails for $25, and it's actually still available, which is really strange because MSCHF drops usually sell out pretty quickly. But if you are interested in doing this, and it's supposed to be fun, it's not supposed to be something serious, then I will actually like put a link down below. But alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start from my right working left, and I'm going to feel each one and see if I can guess if it's ketchup or lip gloss first, and then open them as I go. And as I go, I actually went on Amazon and ordered like some lip gloss containers to put the lip gloss in. So I got these like small like pink to clear ombre ones off Amazon. It's like a 10-pack for like less than $10. So I went ahead and picked those up so I can just put the lip gloss in there. So starting with the first one on the right side. Okay, that's definitely going to be lip gloss. It's like thicker in consistency. But the packaging on these are super cute. Like it says ketchup or makeup, do not eat. So I'm curious to know if the ketchup in there is not edible. And this is lip gloss. Oh, it's like a really pretty red lip gloss too. So I'm going to just put it in this container. Okay, so it's a little bit messy, but I'm actually going to go ahead and apply a little bit of that lip gloss that got on my finger. So, and it's supposed to be just like the gloss bomb. It smells kind of similar to the Diamond Milk one, but it's like smells different too. It smells sweet. So that is how much I could get from that packet. So there's like a little bit at the bottom of this. So it's hopefully there is more than one lip gloss in here. I think this one's lip gloss too, because this one feels thick as well. So unless there's like really thick ketchup in here, I don't know. Okay, this one's lip gloss too. So there we go. So we got 2 lip glosses and 0 ketchup so far, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to just like do the exact same thing, and I'll be back to see what the next packet is. Alright, so the second one kind of filled it up, to like right here. So it's like a decent amount of lip gloss. I mean, not a shit ton, but I still got 4 more to go. So the next one is definitely Ketchup. It's like super thin. Like I can hear it. Oh yeah, that's Ketchup. And it says do not eat, so I'm not going to taste it. Not to mention, I'm also not a fan of ketchup. So I'll move on to the next one. And this one feels like lip gloss. So far, if I'm right, then I've got 3 lip glosses and only 1 ketchup. And that's like not bad. Like it's like, oh, they're all lip gloss except for 1, which that would be kind of cute. Yep. So this one is also lip gloss. I feel like this video is taking like a little bit longer. I didn't realize how hard it would be to put all of this into a lip gloss container. But I don't really just want to like open all of these and then just throw them away. So for $25, I want some lip gloss. All right. So 3 lip glosses, filled it up to about here. So hopefully these last 2 are also lip glosses because then I have like a mostly full lip gloss. So this one's Ketchup. It's like super thin and like super watery. Yep, Ketchup. So this is the last one. And that one's Ketchup as well. I can feel how thin it is. So I got half and half. I got 3 Ketchup, 3 lip glosses, and see if I'm right. Yep, that's Ketchup too. So that was kind of exciting. So this is my little lip gloss container. So I'm just gonna like put it all together. All right, so that was my little mystery unboxing if I got ketchup or makeup. So let me know what you think of like makeup brands collabing with things like this because I think it's fun and lighthearted. It's like something that's not so serious. I think it's a lot better than Pat McGrath collaborating with Supreme for nail polishes because like you're literally coming out with a black, red, and white nail polish and you've never come out with nail polish before. So, and nobody's gonna know it's Supreme when you put it on. So what's the big deal? So I'd rather pay for something like this, have a little bit of fun, than get some nail polishes because of a streetwear brand. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And until next time, bye y'all.